just that opportunity came by, I jumped onto it, tried to carve out something, and ending up investing in it. And from my college years only, I've been a hustler, and idea is again the most overrated thing. So I just try to pick up a problem, solve it, and I failed also multiple times. But the kind of learning it gave me in return, it's immense. So just one advice: like, don't ever think too much. Pick up any single problem and try to solve it. So to be very frank here, I started with the non-technical things only. That was the sales of the solar panels. And initially I used to bid in the tenders and used to lose every time I used to bid because of my credentials were not that strong, or even the financial side was not that strong. So yeah, I tried to, then I got some private projects in hand which helped me building my brand, and finally got some big projects through some army regiments and into hospitality sector also. So the best Western country club in Manesar was solarized by SBD Solutions. So that was a great giant shift altogether. And coming on to the technical and non-technical side, here it comes hand in hand. So you can't really say that okay, I can manage technical side, but non-tech is something which I don't know. It's all about when you are passionate about something and you know the core of the business, you will be able to sell. Yeah, so coming on to why I didn't choose to sit in the placement was that I never got an opportunity to sit in the placement. It was that my percentage was so low that even the companies didn't allow me to sit in their campus placements. So yeah, one was this. The second was I was so deeply involved in dramatics that I never got a feeling that okay, now this is my priority. I must focus on higher studies, or even say for placement for that matter. I sat in Zomato. I couldn't clear it. I sat in one more company was there, in analytics company. I couldn't clear the written, and finally I got this offer from Option Town, which I hardly worked. And then so yeah, I mean multiple things, and somehow didn't really work out. But whatever happened for the best.